Guys, we are in the downtown parade for the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix, and we are the lead car for the Vipers and the Camaros, which is the mark of the year. This afternoon, we're also going to be doing the bridge event, which is going to be awesome. I'm going to show you some awesome drone footage of all the cars that are going to be at the Vintage Grand Prix. But you can see we're approaching downtown. We've got a full police escort that's taking us through the ride here, and it's pretty awesome. Look at the people's response. Making people's day, watching them smile. Oh, you want to rev?
All right, here we go.
Let's do it. There you have it. PVG Place. All right, guys, so we just arrived at PVG Place for the Downtown Parade Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix 2017. We're going to walk around here and show you some of the cars that are on the parade this year. Awesome cars. The marquee of the year is the Camaro, but down here we have lots of Corvettes. You got a couple of really cool Cobras, which are just awesome. Just take a look around. And of course, you know the Penguins are the champions, and so we've got lots of stuff. What's up, guys? So we're going to do the bridge event, and next to me is Mike, Auto Vlogs. Now, you've seen him on the channel once before. Mike, what have you been up to lately?
What have I been doing? I've been filming my Mercedes a lot, and makes a lot of people happy and some not so happy.
Launch control, I like that.
I like that too. It was a lot of fun. I was learning as I went along there.
Yeah, including that oh shit moment. But we all have those oh shit moments. But it doesn't deter you because you keep going back, so that's good. Cars are meant to be driven. Absolutely. So what we have now going on tonight is the bridge event. We're going to show you some of the beauty shots from this event right now. What are you most excited for so far? You've seen a couple of the cars lined up. Yeah.
So, I mean, you're standing here. I was telling my viewers that except for this car right here, which I love. I love it.
We'll have to get you in that car. We'll get you in there.
It's the black F12 over there. I love it. Ferrari F12 is my favorite Ferrari. I mean, if I can't get an F40, it's the F12.
Oh, yeah. The what I love about that car, what he did, is apparently it's already lowered, and he put those HR wheels, those big wheels on it. But he kept them, they're not black. Right. It was very easy to make that black, and it would have a completely different look and feel to it.
Yes.
Those gold, not gold, but
you know what? I wasn't thinking that when I saw the car, but I saw the whole, you know, package. And it just, something just, it was awesome. But then you put words to it, you know what I mean? And it's black. I mean, that's my favorite color on cars. So. It's not one of these. You can't have a green car like this in a car that I have. It has to be an exotic. This is how it is. It fits your car. But
oh man!
It's fun to meet the man behind the camera here.
Yeah,
the other
finally
Swede.
Another Swede
the
in
other
Pittsburgh.
Swede.
I mean,
except for NHL players.
Oh, that's true. Guess what they're doing? They're taking over the city. That's it.
Right.
Welcome. Come on over. To
Very
my
welcome.
Swedish fans, go watch auto vlogs. Amazing videos. You're gonna very, very entertaining.
Yes.
And congratulations.
And to all my Swedish fans, go watch this guy right here, another Pittsburgher.
All right,
he's the king of automotive YouTubing here in Pittsburgh.
No,
Been for a long, yes you are. Stop
all
being so humble.
Yeah. Way to go, dude. Yeah.
Driving